Okay, what are we cooking today? Just came back from Sainsbury's and oh, don't mind the rocks. Don't mind the rocks thing. Okay, we're gonna be cooking baby potatoes right here, and I'm gonna show you how. See, if you are a single guy, you're living alone. I'm going to show you how to do something fast for yourself without stressing so much. What you do is you just get that, you just put it in the oven, and just put the timer on, okay? And you're good to go. And so we got potatoes here. I actually got two, but don't worry about that. And then, oh, just hang on. Now, I'm going to show you what we're going to be having with that. And let's go to the fridge. And this is what we're going to be having. Look at that. We're going to be having turkey. That is a turkey leg. We're going to have that whole, the turkey drumstick. We're going to have that whole in the oven. And just put them back there for now. And put them there for now. Okay. And then we're going to come back to that later on. So just shut that, and then yep, it's all set. Okay, no problem. And now we're gonna cook that with this, okay? And this is what I like. This is actually chicken stock, okay? We're gonna mix this there. We'll mix this with the onions and with some paprika, and then for the potatoes, we're going to sprinkle some extra virgin olive oil in there. And then on the turkey, we're going to be having the sunflower oil with the turkey there. And when I'm done, you're going to love it. So, and then, oh yeah, we're going to mix it with this as well, for sure. Yeah. Okay. And then I'll be back later on to put you through, and it's all looking good outside today.